Hey everyone, I wanted to make a quick video that might help out some folks. This is a 2004 Nissan Frontier. It's the 2.4 liter inline four, and it's in pretty good shape. It's only got a little over 38,000 miles, so it's like new inside really, and it runs great. What I did today was I replaced the three belts today. And what I did was I used, people online were talking about having issues getting some of the belts on that aren't the Nissan belts, and I did not get Nissan belts. But what I did was I got these Bando belts, and you can see I replaced the three belts, and here are some of my notes for that. But this is the original belt that I think came from Nissan that was on there. It's Bando, so I figured I got these as replacements. And yeah, the alternator belt was especially tight to get on there, but I used this little tool here that I honestly don't remember what it's for, but with these ribbed belts that you can see under there, there we go. It worked really good to use this tool to pull those on there. A couple of them were kind of tight. We were able to grab the belt, pull it on, and not worry about loosening the bolts for the alternator or anything like that. But there's, yeah, on there. Yeah, so it worked good. We went and took it for a test drive. Everything was fine. But yeah, this little guy worked really good to help pull those belts on. We tightened everything down, took it for a drive, and no squealing, no problems. And all we did was originally we took off the this piece of the air intake. We left the box on, and then we took off the cover on the bottom as well to get underneath there to the alternator. So that's it. Hope that helped you guys out.